Uyanda, you are so wrong and so right for saying this. And I think it is deleted now because I can't find it again. I wanted to go there and check it. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. One thing about Uyanda, say it like the way it is. He will not sugarcoat it. He will not try to mice. He will not try to be a good person to comfort anyone's feelings. Guys, when you make babies, please make sure that you will be responsible for them. Like emotionally blackmailing people each and every time on social media as if those people they sent you to have unprotected sex. Like, why are we like this as a nation? I mean, at school, they teach us about protection, they teach us about safe sex, they teach us about contraceptive. But today, even this day, we're still having people saying that my baby slept without eating. You don't have a breast milk because I feel like you can breastfeed until the age of 3. So it means you are the one who's sabotaging yourself, and now you want the whole world to care. And actually, it's a fact. Where's the father of the child? And we're not blaming women for men leaving, but we're also saying that when you make a child, make that child for yourself. Don't make that child for the father or the next person. That child will be your responsibility forever and ever. People are so, I don't know, man. You just take things for granted. I was just gonna give birth, give birth, give birth, and the world will feel sorry for you because you give birth in this era where there's contraceptive, where there's everything. The information is everywhere from grade 4 LO, life skills. I did LO, life skills. And they're talking about it grade 10. When you go to university, first year, somehow you're doing a health module or some life skill module. When you go to work, this awareness campaign at work, there are posters everywhere, contraceptive, condoms, whatnot, but you choose not to. Now, when Uyanda is speaking, Uyanda is wrong and mean. Wow, this is a conversation that we need to have as people, that we, as people of South Africa, as young girls and young women, we should be more responsible for our bodies because what is happening in our womb is our right. You know, bruh, we have contraception. If contraception failed, there's another chance which is called abortion, and it's free in South Africa. And nobody will judge you. Those who judge, they don't know anything because they will judge you. They'll say, the baby will grow, but none of them will find that baby. If you're pregnant and you still have a chance and you know that you cannot afford to have that baby or you are not ready to have that baby, stop putting yourself in an emotional traumatic experience. Delete. I'm telling you. And like you're talking like it's not a human being. Hi Bobatum. Yo. But it's okay. If you disagree with me, it's also okay. But I'm just saying, Ori, we should be responsible. And especially asking strangers, where is your family members? You have the nerve to ask a stranger for a milk. Even if I can afford it, like, maybe I would give it, but don't make it as if you're blackmailing me. Like, I will understand if you cannot able to do it. What are you going to understand? Because the next day, if I respond and say I'll not be able to do it, you will be trending for saying that you are a mean person. I,